Marhay na aldaw sa indong gabus. We are from the Camarines Norte State College, currently taking up Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering. Today, as part of our Research 2 project, we are excited to present a device we developed from our study, entitled IoT-enabled microcontroller-based prepaid electricity metering system with mobile application integration for household energy consumption control. Our goal is to demonstrate how our system operates and its feature providing household with greater control over their energy consumption. In line with our SOP number 3, what is the rates of acceptability of the IoT-enabled microcontroller-based prepaid metering system with the mobile application integration for household energy consumption control in terms of A. Functional stability, B. Usability, and C. Security. So this is our device entitled IoT-enabled microcontroller-based prepaid electricity metering system with mobile application integration for household energy consumption. So sa device na ito, makikita natin ang feature na app integration, prepaid metering, IoT, and real-time energy monitoring. So dito makikita natin itong dalawang device, which is nakikita natin sa interface is the user and the admin interface, which is ma-access natin by logging in. And ang device namin ay nagko-contain ng 3 program language, which is sa app gumagamit tayo ng JSON, sa database gumagamit tayo ng Python, and dito naman sa device which is powered by a microcontroller which is ESP na powered naman ng C++.
So this is our device. So our device has its app, mobile application integration, tapos meron din po tayong input which is ito po. Then ito po yung output natin, which is dito po connected yung ating mga loads. So our device is designed to handle key functions including real-time energy monitoring. So for real-time energy monitoring naman po, yung device natin is may sarili po siyang monitoring device, which is ayan nga po, may kita po yung balance from peso and kilowatt hour. Then for ano naman po sa tenants or which is yung user natin, may sarili po silang interface which is ito. So ang mga feature po nito is for low balance, nagsisend po ito ng SMS. Pag naglo-low balance na po. So ang ano po natin is ang limit po neto is 10 kilowatt hour or 100 pesos. So yung admin naman po natin, ito po yung kumokontrol or ito rin po yung nag-add ng balance dito sa user natin. So for prepaid balance tracking, so ngayon po is gagawin natin kung paano magkaka-load or paano magkakaroon ng balance itong user natin. So ito pong admin, gamit po itong admin natin. So sabihin po natin is maglalagay po tayo ng 10 pesos which is equivalent po sa 1 kilowatt hour. So add balance po. So makikita nyo po, kanina for ito, ngayon 14 pesos na po siya, which is equivalent na po is 1 kilowatt hour na po. So ito po yung feature ng prepaid balance tracking. So next feature naman po is yung automatic power disconnection. So i-require po natin itong user natin na magkaroon ng zero balance. So gagamitin po natin yung admin. So kunyari na lang po natin na na-consume niya na yung 14 pesos natin. So ayan. So once na maubos po yung balance niya, ang mangyayari po is ayan po. May kita niya po, nag-alarm po bigla yung device natin and nag-automatic trip na rin po siya. So ayan po. So yung ito pong ilaw na to is ito po yung nag-indicate na wala na po kayong balance. Then itong red na ilaw naman po ito is for Wi-Fi connection. So pag hindi po ito umiilaw, ibig sabihin wala po tayong connection to Wi-Fi. So papakita po naman natin ngayon is yung overall operation ng device namin. So for example po, nandito po yung electric kettle. Ipa-powered up po natin siya using netong natin device. So ito. So, ito pong electric kettle na to, nakasaksak na po siya dito sa ating output. So makikita nyo po, ayan po. bumabawas na po siya once na nag-start na po yung electric kettle natin. So, ayun po. So, nakita niya po, every second po, nagpapalit po yan. Ayan po. So, once na po na maubos yan, so, no, automatic po na magti-trip na yan. So, need nyo naman po mag-load again for, para may magamit po ulit yung balance. So, yan.
Through this IoT-enabled prepaid metering system, our goal is to provide a reliable, user-friendly, and secure solution for efficient energy management. We appreciate your time and look forward to receiving your valuable feedback and ratings. Thank you!